welcome to the video lecture on the course Op Amp and Linear Integrated Circuit. In this session, we will be solving the problems related to DC voltage regulators, that is the problems related with LM317 IC voltage regulator and the counterpart of it, that is LM337. So seeing the design problem, mainly we are dealing with the design of the particular LM317 data. So LM317 regulator is to provide 6 volt output from a 15 volt supply. The load current is 200 milliamp. Design the circuit, calculate the power dissipation, and select I1 which is equal to IR1 which is equal to 1 milliampere, and V reference is equal to 1.25 volt. The first part is, as we know, LM317, the connection diagram. We will draw the connection diagram of this. Once we draw the connection diagram, the things required here, or the components required here, is to find the values of the resistance R1 and R2. Here they have given the input voltage V in is 15 volts, the output voltage V0 is equal to 6 volts, the load current is 200 milliampere, so which we will not consider here, and they have given the current through resistance R1 as IR1 is equal to 1 milliampere. So since we know the value of IR1 and V reference is 1.25 volt, we can find the value of resistance R1 here. So R1 will be equal to V reference divided by IR1, which is nothing but 1.25 divided by 1 milli, which is equal to 1.25 kilo ohm. We have obtained the value of R1, the resistance R1, which is 1.25 kilo ohm. Now we have to find the value of the resistance R2. To find the value of resistance R2, we will use the output expression V0. So V0 is nothing but 1.25 times 1 plus R2 divided by R1. Here we have, in this expression, we have neglected the value of the adjustment current. Since it is very small, we have just neglected for this particular condition here. Substituting the value of V0 at this particular part, V0 is given as 6. 6 is equal to 1.25 times 1 plus R2 divided by R1. Similarly, we can substitute the value of R1 also. So here we get a relation R2 will be equal to 3.8 times of R1. Since we know the value of R1, we get R2 is equal to 4.75 kilo ohm. So in this way, we have obtained the values of R1 and R2. The next second part of this particular problem is to find the power dissipation of this. The power dissipation is given as PD will be equal to IL into Vs minus V0. Here Vs is nothing but the input voltage what we have to consider. IL is given as 200 milliamps, Vs is Vin which is equal to 15 volts, and V0 is 6 volts. So we get PD will be equal to 200 milli into 15 minus 6, which is equal to 1.8. So this will be the value of power dissipation. 1.8 watts will be the power dissipation of this particular LM317. With this, all the parameters are obtained for this particular problem. Moving on to the next type of the problem. Design an adjustable positive voltage regulator using LM317 for the output voltage varying from 5 volt to 12 volt, output current of 1 ampere. Here they have given output current of 1 ampere, and the other details they have not mentioned at this particular part. The first thing what we will do here is we will draw the circuit diagram or the connection diagram of LM317. Now since LM317 is used, we can take the adjustment current as 100 microampere, and current I1, which is nothing but it is IR1, which is equal to 5 milliamps we can consider. So this is from the data sheet of LM317. The adjustment current is 100 microamp and I1 is equal to 5 milliampere. As we know, for LM317, the reference voltage between the output terminal and adjustment terminal is 1.25. Using that reference voltage, we can find the value of resistance R1. So R1 will be equal to V reference divided by IR1, which is equal to 1.25 divided by 5 milli, which is equal to 250 ohms. The resistance R1 is 250 ohms. Now to find the value of R2. the output has to be varied from 5 volts to 12 volts. So the R2 cannot be a fixed value. R2 has to be varied. So we have to get two values or two extreme values, one for 5 volt and another for 12 volt. To calculate the value of R2, we will use this particular expression, that is the output voltage expression. V naught will be equal to 1.25 times 1 plus R2 divided by R1 plus the adjustment current into R2. We are considering the adjustment current as 100 microampere. Now we will take in the step manner, that is for 5 volts and then for 12 volts, finding the value of resistance R2. For V naught is equal to 5 volts, substituting V naught expression, V naught value in the V naught expression, so we get R2 value as 735.29 ohms. This is for uh, output voltage of 5 volts. Suppose if output voltage is 12 volts, now again we will use the same expression, substitute the value of 12 volt at this particular part, and we get R2 will be equal to 2.1 kilo ohm. Therefore, to obtain the output voltage between 5 volt to 12 volt, R2 has to be varied between the value 735.29 ohms to 2.1 kilo ohm. In this way, we are going to use a potentiometer at this particular part. The resistance R2 is a potentiometer what we are going to consider. So in this way, we can solve this particular problem. Thank you for watching this particular session.